What's up, guys? So I just wanted to let you guys know that I am selling my GoPro Max. I never thought this day would come. When I first got this camera, I thought this is the greatest camera. It actually changed the way I do YouTube videos on my main channel, my skateboarding channel, Michael Relevant. It is the best camera for skateboarding. But there's a new camera that is actually better. So I ordered a Insta360 1R. The main reason I switched from the Insta360 1X to the GoPro Max was because the audio was just terrible on the Insta360 1X. But on the 1R, there's something cool. There's a microphone jack, so you can put external microphones on this camera, and this thing is going to be phenomenal for photos and for video. I do a lot of photography too. It's going to have great low light because it's got a 1-inch sensor, a much larger sensor than any other action cam or 360. Well, the RX0 Mark II from Sony has a 1-inch sensor, but that's just as expensive as buying this 360 camera and the 1-inch sensor mod. So I wouldn't buy that. Oh my gosh. And the stability is going to be great. It's going to be a great camera. I'm really excited about it. I'm going to be making more videos about that in the future. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.